It's the cradle of life. It's the center of civilization. Over the ages, men have fought for it, battled for it, warred over it, lusted after it.
Uncomfortable.
Some have lost it. Some it frightens. Some will take it. And others will also try to take it. So come on, ladies, clean that funky thing! Summer's Eve, it's a douche!